Hi guys, Nurse Abby here. I just wanted to review this supplement that I bought for myself. I bought it for myself because Tudca is supposed to help with bile flow, people say, and I need to get my gallbladder out, but I can't do it till next month. So I bought this. These are 1,200 milligrams per a serving, but it is good to know because that is a higher amount than some of the other Tudca supplements. But a serving is 2 capsules. So I bought another Tudca supplement that was only 250 milligrams per serving. So do be aware of what amount of this you want to take, and know that if you want to take a smaller amount, this still might be a great buy because you could just take 1 capsule and get 600 milligrams, and then you have a much longer supply of it. These are certified gluten-free and 100% satisfaction guarantee, but I think the most important of these 3 is this top label. It says GMP. That means they use good manufacturing practices, and it just, that stamp of approval, that just kind of helps say this supplement really is what it says it is in the amount it says it is, and the manufacturing facility has to practice good hygiene, cleanliness. So that's a good thing to see on a supplement brand. But yeah, these are capsules. They came sealed. And this is a liver support, gut health, immunity support supplement that a lot of people take. Here is the size of these capsules. Not the biggest capsule I've ever seen, but not small either. So if you have trouble swallowing bigger capsules, you can get different brands of Tudca that have smaller capsules. You'll just want to look for smaller milligrams, and a capsule is going to give you smaller capsules. So this is 600 milligrams per capsule. If you don't like your capsules that big, look for another brand that has less milligrams in a capsule, and it's going to be a smaller capsule.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.